Hello, and welcome to Techno Fusion. In today's video, we're demystifying artificial intelligence, or AI. What is AI, and why is it so important? Stick around, and we'll break it down for you in under 2 minutes. Number 1. What is artificial intelligence? So, what exactly is artificial intelligence? At its core, AI is the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, making decisions, and learning from experience. Number 2. How AI works. AI works by analyzing and processing vast amounts of data. It uses algorithms to identify patterns and make predictions or decisions based on that data. The more data it has, the better it becomes at its tasks. Number 3. Real-world applications. AI is all around us, from virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars, recommendation systems on streaming platforms, and even in healthcare for diagnosing diseases early. It's making our lives easier and more efficient. Conclusion. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is about creating machines that can perform intelligent tasks. It's transforming industries and enhancing our daily lives in countless ways. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe to Techno Fusion for more tech insights. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.